Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I will show you on how to check for system updates on Infinix Note 30 and why do you need to always update your system information on Infinix Note 30. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on here. So the next thing I need to do is to simply scroll down all the way to the system. So click on system right here. Take us to this particular page. Now we have system update right here. So click on that, then take you to this particular page. Now there are two options for update. We have online update and local update. So in my own case, I'm going to choose online update. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on continue. Just like so. Now download this particular update and this will give you some of the latest update version of Infinix Note 30. Some function about Google is going to be patched and etc. You can read the detail. Now the total gig you are going to use for the update is 6.7 gig, and make sure that your phone has your phone is fully charged, or you can plug your phone when you are trying to do the update. Okay, now the next thing you need to do is to simply click on resume updates. Then you can also update with connect to Wi-Fi, or better still, you can use cellular data. So I'm going to use my cellular. I'm going to click on that, just like so. Then I'll click on resume. Now you can see installing updates right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to install updates, or how you check for system update to update your Infinix Note 30 without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.